That exhaust is ridiculous, isn't it? Videos never do justice either. Flipping heck, man. Sticks you in your seat, doesn't it? Flipping heck.
That rip.
Savage, isn't it? Flipping heck, man. That is class. That is so class.
Might be giving it a bit.
No, of course not. I'm never a passenger in this. So good. So good.
Those verbals are good, actually. Isn't
Really good. And they seem more natural as well, do you know what I mean? Stick the rears down as well.
I do this when I go through the town.
Yeah, it's got to be done, isn't it?
Bad, didn't we? I think it's one of the rare cars that the rears go all the way down.
Yeah, I know. Probably staying up a little bit. Flipping heck. That is nuts, isn't it?
It drives really well.
Yeah. Fucking hell. Doesn't feel like my car sat here with this power. Oh, it rumbles lovely now, doesn't it?
Once you get the heat into the,
Yeah.
into the car as well. I hate this bit. It's bloody hot
So much
right
shitty
now.
roads, isn't there? Oh my god! Holy shit! That is bonkers! That is absolutely ridiculous. I got a dry mouth. Oh my god! My hair is all over the place. Jesus Christ! You smashed it, mate. Yeah. Well, thank you so much, mate. That is mental.